Hey guys, welcome to Grafx IT Career Cafe. How are you all doing today? I trust definitely you all are doing great. We all know that IT jobs have got a great craze among the youth. Indeed, corporate culture has been mostly identified with IT world than any other domain. Example, BFSI, automobile, telecom, oil and gas, etc. Though they are more corporate. Now, many of you have questions like how to get an IT job and what skills help you to get your desired IT job. In this video, I will explain some very important skills that help you land in IT domain. Indeed, technical skill set requirement varies based on what the job demands. But here, I would like to share the skills that are needed to get an IT job in general. Number 1. Analytical and problem solving skills. These skills are very much needed to work in the IT field, and they are tested by most of the IT companies conducting an aptitude test. Employers want people who can use creativity, reasoning and past experience to identify and solve problems effectively. Number 2. Communication skills. Listening, speaking and writing. Communication skills play a vital role in getting IT jobs, and not just that, even in your career growth in IT sector. Companies want people who can accurately interpret what others are saying and organize and express their thoughts clearly. As IT sector serves many global clients, this is a much skill for all in IT. Indeed, you can get certain jobs in IT, ITES domain by simply having good communication skills like support, documentation, ERP, sales or marketing, content writer jobs, etc. Number 3. Learning skills. Unlike core engineering jobs, IT jobs are constantly changing and evolving, and employers want people who can grow and learn as changes come. IT resources need to constantly upgrade themselves with latest technical skills to survive in IT world. Technologies and tools are very dynamic and keep evolving, so you need to be a constant learner. Number 4. Technical skills. In case if you are applying for a technical role, you need to be good at respective domain skills. Example, if you wish to be a developer, you should be good at programming. If you want to be a QA team, you should have good testing skills. If you want to be in admin, you should have thorough knowledge, understanding of server and large-scale network administration. Number 5. Teamwork. In today's work environment, many jobs involve working with one or more groups. Companies want someone who can bring out the best in others. Number 6. Personal management skills. The ability to plan and manage multiple assignments and tasks, set priorities and adapt to changing conditions and work assignments. Number 7. Leadership or management skills. The ability to take charge and manage your co-workers if required is a welcome trait in corporate world. People with such abilities are rightly rewarded by promotions to managerial roles, and quickly most employers look at the signs of leadership qualities in their resources. Let me revise the 7 skills. Number 1. Analytical and problem solving skills. Number 2. Communication skills. Number 3. Learning skills. Number 4. Technical skills. Number 5. Teamwork. Number 6. Personal management skills. And number 7. Leadership or management skills. Hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching. We will come up with more career guidance capsules for the IT domain in our next episodes. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching us. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you. Bye-bye.